Welcome to our comprehensive review of Lyra Wallet, the innovative cryptocurrency wallet designed for secure and efficient digital asset management. Lyra Wallet offers a seamless experience for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts, providing an intuitive interface and robust security features to ensure your crypto holdings remain safe. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, enabling you to store, manage, and transact with your assets effortlessly. One standout feature of Lyra Wallet is its multi-layered security. By integrating advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and private key management, Lyra Wallet ensures that your funds are safeguarded against potential threats. Whether you're trading frequently or holding for the long term, Lyra Wallet's robust security gives you peace of mind. Navigating the Lyra Wallet interface is straightforward and user-friendly. The design focuses on simplicity without sacrificing functionality, making it ideal for users of all skill levels. You can track your portfolio, view transaction history, and manage multiple cryptocurrencies all in one place. Additionally, the wallet includes a built-in swap feature, allowing you to exchange supported cryptocurrencies without leaving the app. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of the major advantages of Lyra Wallet is its commitment to user education and support. Through detailed guides and responsive customer service, users are never left to navigate the complexities of crypto alone. This ensures that even those new to blockchain technology can confidently take control of their digital assets. Finally, Lyra Wallet is continuously evolving to meet the demands of its users. Regular updates introduce new features and improve functionality, ensuring that you always have access to the best tools for managing your crypto portfolio. If you're looking for a wallet that combines security, ease of use, and versatility, Lyra Wallet is an excellent choice. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give a thumbs up to stay updated on the latest crypto tools and guides.